Welcome back to our channel. Now I'm Mari from Best RV down in Turlock, California. Today is the most desired floor plan where you have a big rear view windows on a 20-foot travel trailers. What is behind me is a brand new 2026 Keystone Springdale 200RLCWE. This is a beautiful 20-foot travel trailers manufactured by Keystone. It has a nice full walk around queen bed in the front, big rear view window with the sofa dinette opposing each other, kitchen in the middle and the bathroom in the middle. But I want to show you the features of this unit because we got it on a price. It's amazing. So when you look at the link and the selling price what we have, and you compare our price to other dealers who are selling the same unit, you're gonna save $1,000 by coming to Best RV, and we support it with no hidden fees. Now let's talk features because that's the most important. I want you to love this trailer because so you appreciate the option, the quality behind the price. So all Springdale, Keystone Springdale, they have the nice metal 3 pieces. So you have one in the top, this is metal, so no issues, and in the middle and the front. Two propane tank with a cover, electric tongue in the front, 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. But look how big the storage. I mean, this is the storage speak for itself. Even there's a light here. And as you see, it's a 220 watt solar panel on the roof with a 30 amp controller, inverter prep. The unit sits so high from the ground, so you don't have to worry about going from gas station or parking in front of your house. It already has TV hookup outside. It's right there, and it's right there. It has also grill hookup, so it has the LP quick connect underneath. So if you bring your barbecue, you could hook it up right there. Nice awning with LED light. But what is set this unit separate from the other is the big windows on it. People they think it's too big, but it's not big. Look how big the window over the kitchen, and 3 big windows in the back. That's where the sofa and the dinette, nice spare tires, a bumper where you store your sewer hose in it, leopard, expandable ladder prep, backup camera prep, and then going over here is a beautiful another window on this side, cable hookup, 30 amp hookup, city water connection, fresh water tank, Sani flush kit right there to flush your tank, endless hot water heater, as you see, and then another access to the pass-through storage, and you could see more closer to the controllers and the inverter prep. Let's go inside because I'm really anxious to see the 200RLCWE Springdale. As soon as you walk to this unit and you look in the back, you're gonna say, wow, look, big trailers. The beauty it is you have 2 separate seating. You have a full sofa seating here. And by the way, this is a jackknife sofa, so I turn to a bed. So if one of your grandkids could sleep on it, no problem. As well, it has a storage underneath. So if you open this one, you will see full storage underneath. And then if you push this one down, hold on. And again, this is a bed. And the beauty about it, still in the back, so you have these 3 big windows. You have storage, and then you have a nice dinette in the back. And this dinette easy sleep 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4 people. But people they never realize is everybody sitting on this sofa and the dinette is they could talk to each other and have nice conversations, separate from the kitchen and the bedroom. TV hookup on the corner right there, so you could put a TV on a bracket and the hookup right there. So you could put 32-inch TV on a bracket, so everybody sitting here could watch it. From the kitchen standpoint, they give you the biggest refrigerator is the 10.7 cubic foot reefer. It's a 12 volt, no worries. You have 220 watt solar panel. This is the biggest fridge they use on a travel trailer, made by Furion. And then you have solid, and that's what I like about solid wood even. You have the big pantry over here. This is the air conditions, plenty air condition for this unit. Kitchen cabinets, you could see they're big. And then you enjoy the big view window, plenty room in the kitchen counter space on the right side of the sink, the left side, high-rise faucet, country sink, big 3-burner range with a backsplash glass, a convection microwave. So this is a microwave as well electric oven. And then you come over here, so you have a beautiful bedroom. So this unit come with a king size bed. As you see, look how big the bed. So king size bed on a 20-foot trailers. Tell me, where do you find this? Only in the Springdale 200RLCWE. Closets, and then you have a nice shelf, place for CPAP machines, laptop, and so on. And because they give you this king size bed mattress, you have a full storage underneath, and you could see big mattress. Love it, king size. Then you go going over here, you have a sink, nice mirror, counter space, no issue for the toilet, and big roomy for the showers. So folks, and also if you want privacy, no problem. There's a door here, you could close it and nobody could see anything. And you could keep the door closed. I just kept it here for you guys to see it in the video. It come with a door, it's a pocket door. But as you see in this unit, it's so roomy and the separations on it, and still no slide out. Because I have customers, they say, you know what, I like slide out, but I hear there's some issue with them. I need a travel trailer, it's roomy, big view, and a lot of stuff, but no slide out. This is the unit. The 200RLCWE is a perfect unit for, you could say, it's a family. I mean, you could sleep people here on the dinette, you sleep people on the sofa, and you sleep people on the king size bed. Come to Best RV because we price these units at a price no one will have. And we assure you the best and the lowest price at Best RV, and supported with no hidden fees. Coming in.